these 5 things, I realized I was in England, I was in Brighton, and I realized that these are all rooted in traditional values that all of our ancestors would understand. Ethics rooted in the value of respect, not contempt for other people. People are not objects. Love is great, but let's start with some respect. Niching, rooted in the value of humility. Not a bad idea. There's some grief in that because you can't be everything to everybody, though you might want to be. But there's a real arrogance in that I could just help everybody. Yeah. With me, point of view, rooted in the value of wisdom. All of our ancestors put a high premium on wisdom. The ability to see patterns in things, as opposed to just trivia, which we are bedeviled with these days. And then business model, this traditional value of craft. All of our ancestors not just built things that lasted a long time. Like when I was in the UK, I said, your houses are 8 times older than my country. And they're still around. I mean, I was in a bar established called the Exeter, where Sir Walter Raleigh spread his cape, for the woman to walk across the puddle. So 1100 or something, that bar was and it's still standing because it was built so well. But our ancestors not just built things that lasted. There was no planned obsolescence. They built things that were beautiful. That same value needs to be brought into building your business model. We craft it. And then hubs, this value of reciprocity. Yeah, this value of relationship, of the give and take, the feeding of each other.